of multitasking from you, although I think that your child might be coming for your job just quietly. Maybe we'll let him have a chance. Who knows? It is great, though, to have Mick Byrne on the panel with us now, though, Mick. Commiserations for the result. I mean, first things first, what do you put that down to? What really went wrong for your team today?
I think we got beaten up around the breakdown. I think they were very physical. I mean, you can see Jamie's footprints in there a little bit. They came after us and they did a good job, and we just got caught a little bit flat-footed there and didn't respond. I mean, early on I thought we had a couple of chances to get across the line and we didn't take them, and then after that, full credit to the Highlanders, they just came after us and we were second to the ball.
You're a little bit disappointed with the error rate? You know, it's just the drop balls and just allows the other team to dictate the game, doesn't it? Did that frustrate you a bit, or was?
Yeah, it is frustrating. We had plenty of possession.
Yeah.
A couple of loose turnovers, a couple that they earned, but there was a couple of others a couple of high ball misses and a couple of loose carries, not laziness, but just casualness around the back of the breakdown, kicking the ball away and things like that just costs you when you're on the run. Yeah. You know, you're on the move, you're going forward, but now again we get the opportunity to get home tonight and regroup and we can still make that finals.
Ethan de Groot and Clark Dermody both sort of mentioned they were surprised at how many times the Drua kicked. Is that something you're starting to bring into the game?
No, that's Ethan and Clark and Mick Byrne, I suppose. Look, it was on something we tried to bring in. I think the boys were just trying to play a little bit of football down the other end. We sort of mentioned it at half time. There's good opportunity there, especially if you've got to kick out of your end, but when they kick it back to you, it's a great time to counter. And it's a great field too, nice dry field. So we'll address that during the week.
You do jump on the plane back to Fiji tonight, ready to face the Rebels, and once again comes down to if you win, you're in situation effectively. The return home, does that instill you with a lot of confidence that this group can still get the job done?
Yeah, I think the fact that we can still get the job done there's a lot of confidence. You go to the last round and we were faced with the same thing last year. We had to beat the Reds at home to get in, and so we did it last year. We just got to get back. Again, we're travelling back tonight, so we're in our own beds tonight. We get up tomorrow, come in, recover, and have a good Tuesday, Wednesday, obviously Thursday, Friday into the weekend.
All right, well, travel safe. All the best next week as well. Love watching you guys play. Love watching the work that you do. And go well as well when you transition into your new role with Fiji. Thank you, mate.
Thanks very much. Awesome.
Appreciate your time. Well, let's have a